Okay, it's prize distribution.
और कला अकॅडमी गोवा 50th त्या 50th ए ग्रुपाची स्पर्धा आयज तियात्रीची स्पर्धा जाली आनी बी ग्रुपाची 10वें वर्स आयज मुद्दमूत पयले फावटी आय गॉट दीस चान्स to be here as the chief guest to hand over the prizes to all our मोगाळ कलाकार गोंयची जी तियात्र as we all know it, very famous across the world. It is very nice to know that Kala Academy has kept this tradition 50 वर्सां करीत आयलेलें आसा, recognizing all the theatres, all the artists, all the performers, whether it is the main artist, the B artist, C artist, D artist, all of them have been recognized in various forms. Whether it is the sound and lighting, to that level, it gave me a nice sense of appreciation to these people that have been performing for the last couple of years. And most importantly, हांव मुद्दम सांगूं सोदता की जशें एक स्वप्न आहलें, म्हाका दिसता जायते आदले कलाकार जितले आहा तेंचे एक स्वप्न आसलें that the next generation continues this tradition of tiatra. We all know how important the theatre is and how significant it is to our cultural upbringing, and it is nice to see so many youngsters that have taken prizes today. खरें म्हाका बरें दिसपाक की गोंयकार आमची फुडली पिढी जी आहा ती फुडें सरलेली आसा अशें आमी अशें सांगचें पडटा फुडल्या जनरेशनाक चान्स दिवचें म्हणून तांकां फुडें काडचें म्हणून आतां ऑलरेडी तियात्र ह्या फिल्डान भुरगीं फुडें सरलेले आसा. सो दॅट इट सेल्फ शोज दॅट हे जनरेशन जे आसा जे कलाकार आसा तेंच्यांनी फुडाकार घेवन फुडली तयारी केल्या आनी फुडली जी जनरेशन आसा ती तयार केल्लेली आसा. रायट फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 9 to we can see senior people that have participated and got the prizes. Again, a very, very proud moment for all of us. We know the cultural importance of the theatre, how it has a direct impact on the citizens of Goa, and Goinkar Pon Rakpa Khatir. This field has been a very, very significant, has played a very significant role in Goa and its culture. Taking it to the next level, म्हाका दिसता 130 वर्सां मायज theatre as an art form has evolved over time. How it has adapted to today's technology, where may it be a digital format, a lot of things have changed, a lot of platforms have changed. These opportunities that are there, I can definitely see the theatre as an art form evolving. And with the next generation, म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी एक सरकाराचो सपोर्ट आसात म्हणून through Kala Academy this art form has been recognized, and every year this appreciation, this platform to recognize the art and talent and the artist, most importantly, कित्याक if we do not recognize them, if we do not give them that importance, खंय तरी ती फाटी उरता. Based on the awards that they get recognized. आमकां एक वळख जावन जाता as chief guests coming here to give out the prizes. We also get to see the faces. Some of them have taken up to 6 awards, if I counted right. But I would like to say that I am very, very pleased to know that the next generation has come forward. एक बरी गजाल जावन आसा आनी हांव मुद्दम सांगूंक सोदतां की गोंयचो सरकार जो आसा ह्या तियात्र एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म वी आर हियर टू सपोर्ट इट. The government of Goa, at the assembly, all the MLAs सगळे जावन एक जावन we have proposed to take the art to the global level through UNESCO to recognize it as an art form of our beautiful state of Goa. So again, a big thank you to Kala Academy for having me for this very special program, and I would love to be part of this going forward henceforth.